Children, I am a maths teacher Mrs. Pramila Fernandez. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, last class we studied about rational number, that is what are rational number and how to show the rational numbers on the number line. Today we will be learning how to compare the rational numbers. Before we learn comparing the rational number, let us recall what we studied in our previous classes. We studied that for any pair of numbers on a number line, the number to the left is smaller than the other number. Students, you can see the number line here, which is having both the positive and negative numbers. Let us consider the positive numbers 2 and 3. Here 2 is left to the number 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. Similarly, in the left hand side, we'll consider minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 is left to minus 2. Therefore, minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. We also studied that a negative number is always less than a positive number. For example, if we consider 4 and minus 5, minus 5 is a negative number, so it is less than the number 4. Similarly, minus 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 5, minus 5 upon 6 is a negative number, so it is smaller than 4 upon 5. Now, let us compare the two negative or two positive numbers. Example number 1. Compare the numbers 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3 by using the proper symbols. Students, you can see here both the numbers are positive and both are having different denominators. You have also studied in the smaller classes, when the denominators are different, we have to cross multiply to make it equal. So, 5 upon 4 should be multiplied by 3 and 2 upon 3 should be multiplied by 4. When we multiply 3 to the numerator and denominator, we get 15 upon 12, and 2 upon 3 is multiplied by 4, we get 8 upon 12. Now the denominators are same, that is 12. Now we will compare the numerators, 15 and 8. 15 is bigger, so 5 upon 4 is bigger than 2 upon 3. The next example we will consider is minus 7 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2. Here both the numbers are negative and both are having different denominator. So we'll continue the same procedure what we did in the positive numbers. We have to cross multiply 7 upon 3 multiplied by 2 and minus 5 upon 2 multiplied by 3. When we multiply 7 upon 3 into 2, we get 14 upon 6, and 5 upon 2 into 3, we get 15 upon 6. Now the denominators are same, that is 6, and the numerators are 14 and 15. 15 is bigger than 14. Therefore, when we consider the positive number, 5 upon 2 is bigger than 7 upon 3. But here the numbers are negative. Therefore, minus 7 upon 3 is bigger than minus 5 upon 2. The next example we take is minus 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. Here one number is negative, the other number is positive. So we know that the negative number is always smaller than the positive number. So we can tell that minus 7 upon 9 is smaller than 4 upon 5. Next example we have to take it as 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. Here we can see the denominator 5 and 10. They are the multiples of 5. So we can increase, that is 3 upon 5 multiplying by 2. We can make it the denominator as 10. That is 6 upon 10. And when we consider 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10, both will be equal. We can also follow the rules which are given here. If a upon b and c upon d are rational numbers, b and d are positive, then if a into d, that is cross multiplication, a into d is smaller than b into c, then a upon b is smaller than c upon d. If a into d is equal to b into c, then a upon b is equal to c upon d. If a into d is bigger than b into c, then a upon b is bigger than c upon d. Students, by considering all these examples and by referring all these examples, you can solve the exercise 1.2. Thank you.